another day. Another week. And yet another video. So what am I up to? Well, nothing much. Am I going anywhere? No, not today. What about my travel plan which I was mentioning in my previous video? I'm guessing that, right? You have not watched it yet. If you have not, then please go and watch. Anyways, the plan is still on, but not today, not tomorrow, in a couple of weeks from now. You must be thinking that I'm not going anywhere, the travel is in couple of weeks, then what is this video about? Well, you know, I have not met you guys from past 1 week and therefore just wanted to stop by and say hello to all of my lovely people. Also, I want you guys to meet someone who is very special to me. Now, before I introduce her to you, I just want you guys to know that, you know, bringing her home was never an easy job. I had a very tough time discussing about her with my parents, but they have accepted her anyways now, which is I think sweet. She's downstairs, so let's go and I'll introduce her to you. Now, before the introduction, I'm pretty sure that you must have seen her in my all previous videos, but meet Phoebe, my darling Himalayan. Tell me honestly, all of this time you must have thought that, you know, I'm just talking about my wife. Well, no. I will introduce my wife in some another video, but this one is dedicated to my darling Phoebe. Oh man, I've watched Friends a lot of time than I should have. And that one character which got stuck into my mind is Phoebe. Why Phoebe though? Because Phoebe could do anything and everything she wanted to. She can do anything and everything. Phoebe was cunning. So is she. Phoebe was mean at times. So is she, my lean, mean, beautiful machine. I bought this bike as a gift to myself when I turned 30 this year in May. Yes, you heard that right. I am 30. That old I am. Now don't judge me. Anyways, about the bike. Have you ever desired of something for so long that, you know, it has actually become an obsession for you to get one? Well, I have. I've been always fond and you can say crazy about bikes and cars since my childhood. And growing up as a kid, I always wanted to have a bicycle. But I didn't have a bicycle because I never got one because we couldn't afford one. And when I grew up as an adult, you know, while working, I always wanted to have a motorcycle of my own. But again, I could only afford the one which I never wanted. And then there came a time where I could afford and I could buy what I always wanted and desired. And that's how Phoebe, my darling Himalayan, came into my life. So that is me bragging about my Himalayan and how I bought it. And if you are still watching the video and if you have come so far, then do hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and also check out my other videos. And by the way, this is my another baby. I'll talk about her in some another video. That is all for this one. I'll see you very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay safe and stay tuned.